beautiful rainy day today. Taking a little walk in the rain with my umbrella. Be nice. All colors. So pretty. Happy Sunday. So this little area that I'm going to show you all is kind of very similar to a place that someone I know of found a cache of gold. And the area used to be a mining camp. That there was a lot of miners at one point, a couple thousand, for mining silver and gold. There was a big group of Chinese people that were here as well. And it's not right here. This isn't it, but it's kind of nearby. A ways, but anyway, someone was making a road, and they were digging up a little road, and they found a jar filled with gold coins. And the person that found it was the contractor, and then of course later a big lawsuit ensued over it, and it was kind of well known. I can't remember who actually ended up with it in the long run. Just found an agate. I think it was the owner of the property that actually ended up with it. I don't know what it was worth, but it was worth a chunk of money. And I wish I knew more about it right now. I can't remember the whole story. It was quite I don't know, it was like 15 years ago. Beautiful. Out here with the fall colors. There's no one else out in this hiking area. Usually there are a few people out here, but no cars today. Check out this really cool bridge. Somebody put a rock there. Pretty cool, huh? I think this is kind of a canal area. Isn't that pretty? Which way shall I go? The river trail? That trail? I think we'll take this one. I'm looking forward to coming down here again with my metal detector. I'll take a look around here. I found a couple graves out here. I think they might have been somebody's dog or something. I'm not sure. I know you can walk for a long time, a long ways all around here. Oh, it looks intriguing over that way. Woohoo! Yay! Happy Sunday! Whoa, I'm dizzy. All right. I wonder what secrets this place holds. That's a treasure every day. Just wondering. I'll zoom up there. Ooh, look at that color. So pretty. So pretty. I like the rain. I miss the rain from living in Oregon.